Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with new video. Dear friends and dear viewers, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah, thank for my Allah. Dear friends and dear viewers, in today's I am going to show you beautiful and very stylish, very attractive and most demanding cross stitch pattern design collections with beautiful look and amazing color combination. High ranking cross stitch patterns with hand embroidery handwork with beautiful color combination and attractive design with flower pattern. I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. All designs are so beautiful and so stunning. Handmade and handwork cross stitch patterns, 4 सूती कढ़ाई design. If you want to get more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. Please tell me in the comment section what you want to watch my upcoming videos. Beautiful and very attractive, very beautiful cross stitch patterns, unique colors and trendy design. If you like this pattern, take a screenshot and save your mobile. Dear friend and dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members on all social media accounts. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Videos from my channel can help you. You can get ideas. Very stunning and very beautiful design. All collections are so beautiful. Marvelous design. Very trendy design. Handmade and work. Stylish and very beautiful design ideas. All designs are so beautiful. Cross stitch pattern design collections for cushions cover, table runner, table mat, sofa back cover, sofa side cover and much more. So my dear friends, we will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new video, new trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah khair. We will be right back.